Good evening and welcome to AI News Daily, your premier source for everything artificial intelligence. Imagine if your financial advisor wasn't a human charging hefty hourly fees, but an AI that lives right inside your pocket, tracking every single penny you spend in real time. Well, that reality is officially here. In a massive announcement that is already shaking up the fintech industry, OpenAI has just launched a dedicated version of ChatGPT designed specifically for personal finance. This is not just another basic budget tracker or a simple calculator. OpenAI is taking things to a whole new level by allowing users to securely connect their actual bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios directly to ChatGPT. Think about the implications of this. Instead of staring at confusing spreadsheets or trying to decipher your monthly bank statements, you can now literally strike up a conversation with your money. You can ask ChatGPT complex questions like, can I actually afford to buy that new laptop this month based on my current spending habits? Or how can I optimize my budget to save an extra $500 by the end of the year? The AI will instantly analyze your real-time transaction history, categorize your expenses, and give you hyper-personalized financial advice, tailored specifically to your goals. Now, of course, the biggest question on everyone's mind right now is security. Connecting your private bank details to an artificial intelligence model sounds incredibly futuristic, but it also raises immediate red flags for privacy. OpenAI has anticipated these concerns, stating that the platform uses bank-grade encryption and that users will have total control over what data is shared. They also emphasize that this financial data will not be used to train future public models. Whether you are trying to crush your debt, build up an emergency fund, or just figure out where all your paycheck goes every month, this new rollout could completely change how we manage our personal wealth. Traditional banking apps should definitely be on high alert. That is all for tonight's broadcast. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve with AI News Daily. I am your host, signing off. Stay smart, stay informed, and we will see you right here tomorrow.